Yo, listen up. I am Einstein, here to drop some knowledge. It's about a trick so slick, it should be in every sage's college. It's called the Rule of 72. It's as simple as can be. It helps you figure out your money's destiny. 72 divided by your growth rate, oh boy! That is how many years you must wait until your cash can deploy. Whether saving or investing, it is quite a handy tool. And it's me, Einstein, dropping the wisdom and keeping it cool. Compound interest, baby. That's the game we play. Grows your dough exponentially each day by every day. So if your rate is 6%, don't you fret or fuss. In just 12 years, if you follow me, your cash will double. You can trust. 72 divided by your growth rate, oh boy! That's how many years till your cash can deploy. Whether it's saving or investing, such a handy tool. It's me, Einstein, dropping wisdom and keeping it cool. Now it's not just about E equals MC squared. I'm here to help with finances. The rule of 72, you'll be on track, turning pennies into stacks, and that is a fact. So heed my words and let them resonate. The rule of 72, don't underestimate. Whether you're a banker or just a normal Joe, with this simple rule, your money will grow and grow. It's only 72 divided by your growth rate. Oh boy! That's how many years until your cash can deploy. Whether it's saving or investing, this is a handy tool. And it's me, Einstein, dropping wisdom and keeping it cool. Study hard and learn the rule of 72. It is the key to your financial future. Ta-ta for Money Mentor and Money Mentor Productions.